I was installing Windows 10 and it forces me to enter this information here, which I absolutely don't want to. And what I'm going to do is I did unplug the Ethernet cable from my computer and I'm going to reboot the installing of Windows 10. So just restart all over again, but this time without having a Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection to my computer. So I did restart the computer. It starts all over again. It's kind of going on the Cortana stupidity thing. All you have to do, just click to disable this mic. You see mine, it's already disabled. So just click on it so it gets that interdiction sign, and the Cortana will just go away and you can continue your installation. At this prompt, let's connect to a network. Do not select anything, do not connect, just click I don't have internet. And then it's going to force you to try to convince you to connect anyway. The stupid Microsoft, just click again, continue with limited setup. And I can tell you these guys are pretty much insane. This one you need to prompt, type in something, usually I say myself, maybe write it down so you don't forget, but you don't have to put a password. This is just your lock screen. So the password prompt. So again, this is just when you log into your computer, just click next. It's going to jump that moment. Whatever, there's more things. I just don't care about all this trash. There's even more things. Decline. A lot of trash, and these things are changing. I remember 2 years ago there was no such prompt, but 2023 right now there's a lot of trash in there, and usually I like to turn all this trash off. All this you have no idea. Tailored experience, do you know what that means? That means you are being tracked. Your activity is being tracked and is being monetized by Microsoft with various companies, and it has a very sweet name, so they can fool you with their trash. So make sure you scroll this page up and down to see all the options. Hopefully just really make sure everything is off, and then just say accept with all to off. Cortana. Yes, Cortana again, but you have this small interdiction sign. You did click on the microphone, so Cortana trash is going away. And then you continue with your whatever steps are there. I'm not going to get you through all these things, but it's going to take for a while. But at this point, as you can see, that prompt to enter my Skype address, my phone number, my email address is gone. So gone. It was faster than I thought, so it's already done, already installed.